The Mesa housing market is shifting fast, so don't miss your chance to score builder incentives and tour the best one-level new homes before prices and demand heat back up. So stay tuned. So are you thinking about downsizing and you're worried about the interest rates and if you can find a deal out there in Arizona? As we go out of spring and into summer, I can guarantee you from over 30 years of doing this, prices are going to be pushed even more downward. And let me show you what is going on in Arizona right now in April 2025 as we go out of April. We're getting some hyper appreciation because of the lower interest rates, right? Then they raise interest rates and we had a depreciation there of prices. Now they're trying to recover, but you can see at the end here recently they're dropping again. So Mark and I have loved for over 30 years helping home sellers and home buyers with excellence through experience. We love sharing the data that we go through daily to make sure our clients are taken care of. We've gone through a big transition here, especially in Arizona. You hear it, it's news everywhere. Let me show you specifically what's going to happen as we transition into the summer month. We are having a spring like we have not seen in a long time. People thought it was slow last spring. It's nothing like this spring. And let me share some of the things that are going to push that price down even further and how we see right now that home sellers are reducing prices and cutting prices left and right to move those homes. So the days on market are still less than 3 months, but you can see they're trending upward. But you can also see price cuts are up dramatically. So we even get emails every day, all the time from new builds, and they are dropping their prices and cutting also, which is impacting everybody else in the resale market. And the thing is there are more builders still coming to the East Valley of Arizona and to the West Valley, but here's the East Valley where there's going to be a new Target Center. And this is a huge $400 million investment, East Mesa. It's one of the largest commercial projects currently in East Mesa, and it will have apartments. There will be condominiums. So we've got more building coming, and that's more supply, and that's downward pressure on softening prices. So if all goes as planned, that actually is more employment and more supply and balanced housing. So basically you just had the shopping that was available at Signal Butte and the 60 freeway, but now they're bringing these other developments which will really be needed. But that means more employers, that means more employees, that means more people, that means we do need that supply. But right now, while they are building, we have abundant supply coming to market, which is great because it's keeping that price down. It just takes a while, and then sellers realize, oh, my house isn't selling, I need to reduce the price. So that's what we're dealing with now. So let's go a little bit further down from the 60 freeway and Signal Butte and show the Lamera Discovery Collection by Taylor Morrison that is also giving new build incentives, $30,000 for upgrades plus $29,000 to $35,000. With using their specific lender towards closing costs or rate reductions. And that's what's moving these homes and selling them. So you come in to the community right off of Signal Butte, and it is a beautiful community. It's got this community pool and park area. They've got areas where they have the sails over to provide lots of shade, a fire pit, and the pool is heated during the winter. So beautiful, beautiful community, well maintained, and the maintenance is included in the homeowners association of $126 a month. So you've got the pool, all that maintenance, and the fire pit and the park, all for $126 a month. So that is a very reasonable homeowners association for sure. This is the Harlow, and it's 1,960 square feet, and it is got a nice little front porch. You really can't beat the incentives they're providing for this. And the Harlow is Quick move-in available right now for $503,990 base price. So, I mean, you've got 4 to 5 bedrooms in this. You've got that front office area, and you've got a half bath. So you can make the front area either an office or a fun room or a playroom or whatever room. And you've got this large open area for the kitchen. But let's first go back and see the nice large laundry room, and that door goes to the garage. Now you've got one of the bedrooms here, and then you've got another bedroom over here. And you can see they're really good size. Then you've got a double sink, which you've got double sink vanity there, which is really necessary to have plenty of room for everybody. You've got another bedroom over here. They have this really cute crib in there, and this is a little bit of a smaller room. This isn't the biggest room of all of them, but I mean, you're talking a lot of bedrooms here. Then you can come down to the primary bedroom, which of course is much larger. You've got room for large dressers on either side, plus this other wall for a dresser, and a nice primary bathroom suite with 2 sinks. You've got the 2 sink vanity there, and nice large walk-in shower. You've got the private toilet room, which is really nice. You've got lots of linen closets and this nice large walk-in closet. So this is really a great floor plan for downsizers. I mean, you've got the extra rooms and the nice big open great room concept, plus a really nice large yard area. But I just think it's a great floor plan, lots of living area. They've extended the patio here, and it shows you what you can do to make a nice outdoor kitchen area, barbecuing area, so you have plenty of room to entertain. But this great room concept is just really nice and concise. You've got plenty of room, not only just to have a dining room table, but you also have a large breakfast bar. So you've got plenty of seating for everybody, all this area in the kitchen, and a gas range. A gas range. I love gas ranges, you guys, because it's just easier to cook with gas. But nice large pantry there. Like I said, the gas range. I love this floor plan. It's a large space for whether you're going to downsize or whether, you're even just right sizing. But I love that you can access the bedrooms through the access the middle and through the bathroom there. So there's 2 different ways to go. I love that. This floor plan to me is got everything you need for plenty of room on one floor. So you don't have to go upstairs in this floor plan, which is probably why it's one of their most popular floor plans and why, it is selling very quickly. I mean, you're talking $500,000, $503,990, but you've got also the incentives of $30,000 for upgrades and $29,000 to $35,000 if you go through their lender towards closing. Hey, thanks for letting us share this valuable information about what's going on in Arizona. And as always, we love sharing this. We get phone calls and texts and emails all the time saying what is going on with the housing market. And for over 30 years, we've loved bringing our home buyers and home sellers information and data so they can make the best decision. We love doing this. Please tap that bell so that you get notified every time a video comes out. We really are trying to get these videos out to everyone with the truth so that they can make an informed decision.